This week, we're going to be looking at the Stanley or DeWalt Pro Organizer. So both brands, Stanley and DeWalt, sell this Pro Organizer, which is a great, really durable tool case. And it is a system that does clip together, similar to this T-Stack. But this one is actually, it comes with all of the little plastic trays. So we're going to take those out, the little plastic cubbies. We're going to take those out and we're going to put a foam insert in there. Now I use these cases quite a bit because they are really, really good quality. They've got a really nice tight seal on them. Obviously they sell them with these cubbies, which you can put screws in or little parts. But obviously if you take all of these out and you add a shadow foam insert, now we sell these that are the correct size to just slot inside this case. And we sell these in twin packs. They come in 30mm and 50mm depth in a range of 6 colours. And for the 50mm pack here, so this is two 50mm, it's $24.99 and they fill it up right to the top. And obviously you can have 2 layers of tools in there. But for this week, we're not going to use the 50mm yellow. We're actually going to do something slightly different. And we're going to use 50mm blue instead. And what we're going to be making this week is a battery organizer. Now, you might wonder why we wouldn't put all of the DeWalt batteries in a T-Stack. Batteries, for me, if I'm leaving site, I want to take all the batteries away to charge them all up ready for the next day. So a little box like this that you can keep all of your batteries in one place, that's watertight, that's kind of quite easy to just close it up, chuck it in the van. And also, if you add more batteries in the future, you can actually put another case on top of this and then clip them together, and then you can have 2 battery bins. Is actually a really good system, I would say. Obviously you could do the same in a T-Stack, but there is the layout of this case and the handle on the top of it does make it a really nice case to just walk away with at the end of the day. We're going to do a rough layout of what we want to do, and for the top box, like I say, we can clip a few of these together, so maybe the second one could just be full of batteries. But this first one, we want to put all the batteries we've got, and we also want to include a charger. So these are all the batteries that I've got. You know, we've got a couple of the 4 amp hour batteries and then 5 of these 2 amp hour batteries. So, you know, your setup might be totally different to this. You might have the bigger charger, twin charger. You may have a lot more of the bigger batteries. But for my needs and for the case that we're building, these are the batteries we've got. So we don't want to go out buying more batteries just for this. This is quite a lot of power for the kind of DeWalt tools that we've got. But that layout is really nice because we've got 3 along the top with a nice kind of 10mm minimum gap around them. We've got the 2 batteries below and then plenty of room around the charger, which obviously we could actually have in situ and plug it in and use it, or we can take it out, and then we've got the 2 bigger beastie batteries going into these inserts here. We have also seen customers that have done the exact same thing as this, but they've skipped out these batteries and they've actually cut slots for a couple of these like little cubby holder things, and then you obviously can have all little drill bits and adapters and stuff in there. So the first thing to do is to get our cutting kit. So if you do buy shadow foam inserts from our website, that's shadowfoam.com, we do have next day shipping, but we'll also send you a free cutting kit. So orders over £50 come with a free cutting kit, which includes everything you need to get started cutting. And orders over £150 will come with a free t-shirt too. So you can select your size and we'll send you out a really cool t-shirt, which will show you the design of. So the cutting kit that you get free with orders over £50, or you can buy it separately, comes with a scalpel and 5 blades. If you get the full cutting kit, you'll also get some anti-cut gloves, and I really recommend wearing these. Scalpels are really sharp and they can cut you in a split second, just usually when you're doing this kind of stuff, laying out and just getting started. So having the cut-proof gloves is a must. But then once you've got those, it's as simple as creating your layout. Now, we're going to leave everything in place, but if this was a more complicated layout, I might want to take a photograph at this point so we don't kind of lose our place. But we're going to start in this bottom corner here, and I'm just going to centralise the battery. Make sure I've got an even space around it, make sure it's square. And all I have to do is put a little bit of light pressure on it so it doesn't move. And then we're just using the scalpel like a pen or a pencil and just lightly scoring the foam, making sure that we keep the scalpel perpendicular. We can just cut around. And we're using it just to give us the profile. And once we've met back up where we started, we can take the battery away and then we can cut down. And on this, we've got a 50mm liner, and I'm going to cut down as far as I can, but still maintaining a base level. So I'm going to cut down about 40mm and try and peel back about 40mm of foam. And that'll mean the battery's nice and snug in there and held nice and tight. but we've still got that blue contrast, which is why I've chosen the blue colour. We want to make it quite obvious when, you know, through the clear lid, you want to be able to see how many batteries you've got in there. So all you're doing to peel back the foam is just starting in one corner and then pushing the foam upwards and using your finger to almost plough the foam away, and that way you can peel it back. And you have to follow the peel all the way along. You can see there, I can peel out a little bit extra, and that is perfect. That's the first battery done. So we're going to go for a symmetrical finish here. So I'm going to put the other one pointing the opposite way, make sure it's in line. Okay, so we've cut all of the batteries in, which I'm pretty happy with, but now we get to the charger, and this is a common problem when it comes to organising a tool case or organising a foam insert like this, is how do you organise the cable? Where do you put the cable? Now I tend to try and hide a cable really, because they just kind of look, in a lot of ways they look scruffy. You know, if you put them at the side of something or you try and create a slot for it, it can end up looking scruffy. Plus, you know, when you pull it in and out, who wants to wrap up a cable every time? So I try and just hide them underneath. And because we've got a fair bit of depth in this, this is the perfect example. So I've already cut around the charger itself, and then we've peeled back about 30 mil of foam. So we've got about 20 mils worth of foam left underneath. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually sit the charger so it actually stands a little bit prouder of the foam, because we know the lid will close and it will give us a nice cavity underneath to hide the plug and the lead. So what we have to do, we're going to cut a little slot underneath now. So we've cut the base layer, and we're going to put the plug where we want it to go, and we're going to cut around it, and we're going to cut all the way through just to give us the maximum amount of depth here, and then we'll cut a little slot for the cable as well. So I'm going to place the plug in the center there, and we're just going to cut around the profile, same as before. We don't have to cut all the way through yet, just cutting lightly so we've got a nice mark where it is. And then this, I'm also going to cut on this little bit of a shield as well, and then we can lift up the foam and I can cut all the way through now. We don't want to cut the tablecloth, so we'll cut all the way through. I'll lift up the foam, and that is perfect. So that's a nice little slot there for the plug. And then the cable, we'll have that wrapped up and going along the top. So for the cable, we are going to cut out this whole top section, and we're going to follow the profile of the item. And that'll give us a nice cavity. The reason why we want to cut out the plug separately is because the plug will have a tendency to stand on its side, which will obviously stand taller, and we want it to sit flat down so it's its narrowest position. But the cable can just kind of lie how it naturally lies, and it'll be much slimmer than the plug anyway. So that is perfect. So now we've done that, we can put the insert into the case, and then we'll try and fit the charger in, and we'll see if the lid closes and it's all nice and a nice snug fit in there. It should do if our measurements are correct. So we've got all the items out of there. Now we can see that lovely blue contrast, and the insert just slots straight in there. And we'll go for the charger first. So we just need to put the plug in that little slot and the cable right above it, just looping over itself. And then we can go for the charger. So like I say, that just stands flush, just slightly proud of the foam. And then we've got the batteries. And with that all fitted in there, the lid should close. Yeah, perfect. And actually that's worked out perfectly because the batteries are just below the surface, so it means that if we do start tipping it around or chucking it around, the batteries haven't got anywhere to go. And obviously we've still got a nice positive close on that lid, so it's still watertight. So that is fantastic. I'm really happy with that. and it looks just the job. So we can still get the charger in and out nice and easy. We could even plug it in and charge it in the case if we wanted to. So that is fantastic. That, I would say, is a great use case for this Pro container, and these containers are really cost effective. So if you've got a Stanley or DeWalt Pro Organizer like this, and you want to get a foam insert for it, like we've done here, head over to shadowfoam.com. We've got twin packs in 30mm, 50mm, all 6 colours available right now for next day shipping. So check them out, and you also get a free cutting kit or a free t-shirt if you spend over £150. So go and check it out, and we'll see you next time.